Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sherry. So I am pre-filming again for another week. You probably saw the same nails as you did last week. This is the week of the 12th through 18th, but I am actually going to be gone from the 16th through the 19th, and then from the 19th or from the 24th all the way through the 9th of March. And I am, like I told you guys in my last video, I'm leaving Alabama to school for a couple of weeks, and I want to make sure that I pre-film these videos so that way you guys still have content from me moving forward until I get back. And so this week I am going to use a kit from BeaYoutiful Planning. This kit is called Back to School, and I thought it was appropriate for this this week because I start this course. Get it out, Sherry. I start this course on the 26th, and then I'll be gone until the 9th of March. So we are pre-planning from the 26th through the 4th. I'm going to go ahead and lay down my base. I'll explain what I did, and I will be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back putting everything down. I am really loving this kit so far, you guys. So I went ahead, these two bottom washies are separate, but what I did was, because some of the boxes have gold, the character box, get your life together, Sherry. There's a lot more decorative boxes than it is the gold boxes, so I went ahead and put this over the color washi, so that way it can kind of look a little bit better and it's not kind of all mushed together, not mushed together, but it's a lot easier on the eyes when you can kind of separate it and it looks better. Okay, so this here is a large box. It's like a double full box but stacked on top of each other. And these other ones, this one, this here, as you can see, it's overlapping into the glitter header. These things here are all deco, and I wanted to go ahead and add that into the kit, as well as this coffee cup and this cup with the pencils in it. I'm actually overlapping that on top of this double box, this vertical double box here, because as you can see in the background are books. So I didn't have enough space to put my to-dos for the week, but to be honest with you, I'm not going to be ripping and running like I normally do when I'm back at home. So I just went ahead and put my habit trackers and my dinners down there, and then I did my 3 priority checklist as well and staggered the full boxes like I normally do. I went ahead and put the weekend banner here. There is an additional weekend banner, but I opted out for that. And let's go ahead and start pre-planning the day by day. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in. Now, although I am not home, well, technically I'm home right now as I'm filming this, but during this week, although I'm not home, I'm going to go ahead and track the things that I need to do anyway for the week that I normally do, just so that I can make sure that I remind my husband to get those things done, right? So Monday is normally, I want to go ahead and upload this video. So let's go ahead and put down, let's see, we're going to go ahead and put down this gold hat box right here at the top. Does it fit? No, I don't like that. Do I have any? I don't have any half boxes in this kit. So that's perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and actually, I'm going to go ahead and put down this bottom washi right here. And we'll put that right in there. And we will add a little upload from Once More with Love for you. And I really don't have a lot left of these, guys. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. All right, so we're going to go ahead and upload that video there. And then my daughter does have gymnastics as well. So we're going to take a different half box. Actually, do I want to use a half box? Yeah, because the rest of these are really, and that's the only thing about printable kits. Some, actually, you know what? I lie. I have labels here. So let's go ahead and use this hot pink label, and we'll put it down at the bottom because it's towards the end of the day. And yep, that's it. So let's grab the gymnastics girl from Erica G Designs. And my daughter does have gymnastics on that day. And to be honest with you, there's so many different colors that I can use with this. So what I am going to do is take a light gray, since it's a pink appointment label, and we're going to go ahead and put this little girl right here. And that'll give me a little, serve me as a little reminder that my husband needs to take my little one to gymnastics. Okay, so on Tuesday we have trash and allergy shots. So let me go ahead and get another appointment label. And we're going to, actually not appointment, but just this little label here. And I'm going to take a gray one. And we'll put that right up here. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do for allergy shots yet. I'm hoping that that the allergist here can either give me my own shots to administer, or send it to the location that I'm going to be at, so that way I can get my shots while I'm still there. And I am going to take this little asterisk for allergy shots. And then at the towards the end of the day we have trash, and to be honest with you, I think that's all we have for the rest of the evening. Now, of course, I'm going to be doing homework. I'm sure my husband's going to be doing homework. So there's not much we're going to do. Now, my husband he is a, how do you call it? He loves to get ahead on everything. So while I'm gone, he's very structured. I'm sure he is going to, actually, let me put this down just a little bit, just in case I annotate that somewhere, something down at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and put trash right here, and then we have more space. Actually, let me move that just a little bit, smidge down at the bottom. I know it's just the oddest place to put it, right? But I like to spread out the white space and make it look a little even. So we'll go ahead and put that there. I'm sure I'll have homework to do. And then on Wednesday I have discussion board, and this is my last week for the online course that I'm at, work on my master's degree. So I do have homework. Pretty sure that I have a discussion post to do that day, so I'm going to go ahead and use another one of these labels here, this dotted label, I guess, if you want to call it that. And I am going to use a Coffee Monsters Co. homework. And what do I want to do? I'm going to use this Coffee Monsters Co. little guy right here, because I'm going to have homework for the class that I'm in this week, and then also for my online course. And so, and then I do want to do some laundry, so let me go ahead and get my laundry. And we're going to put that down here. And this script is from the kit. And then I'm going to go ahead and get, let's see. I'm going to use, see, that hot pink is just a little too hot pink for that. What else would go with it? Looks like we're going with gray, because there's not much else I can do with that. And that is it for that. And that is the last day of February, guys. And then we're going to be going into March. So on Thursday, my daughter has her book club, March 1st. So let's go ahead and, where's my little girl that goes off to school? So we're gonna go ahead and put her down here, and I think I'm liking, there's not a lot of blue, there's no red. We'll go ahead with the purple. So we're gonna take a half box. I'm gonna take this bright black one here, because to be honest with you, I don't have much going on since I'm going to be in Alabama, or since I am in Alabama as you're watching this. So let's go ahead and put this little girl right down here for her book club. And then on Friday is my stepson's birthday. So let's go ahead and take, I'm going to give him a half box, and I'm going to overlap that on the glitter header because he deserves a half box. So I'm going to give it to him. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong day, guys. Lord have mercy. What am I thinking? So Friday I'm sure I'm going to have homework to do. And to be honest with you, I don't know what else I want to do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put these glasses, this glasses washi down here. And I'm going to overlap that with this hot pink dotted label here. And we're going to put that right on top, because I'm sure I'm going to have nothing but homework. And I don't know what else I'm going to do that evening. So to be honest with you, I'm not going to put anything down. So Saturday the 3rd of March is his birthday, my stepson's birthday. So I'm going to put, I don't want to put that one there because that matches too much with that day. So let's put, let's put these glasses one right here because I can't fit that there. So we're going to put it right here. And then we're going to take a little celebration from Once More with Love. And I'm going to take this heart one here to show me being happy for his birthday. And then, you guys, this week it looks boring. Oh, Lord. So I do want to paint my nails as well on Saturday. So let me go ahead and get this little emoji down here. And I'm going to take this medium sized one and put her up here to show that I'm going to paint my nails. Actually, let's put her over here. And then I don't know what else I'm going to do that evening. And then I'm sure I'm going to be doing homework. But on Sunday, I do want to clean. So I'm going to put down this, nope, wrong color. So I'm going to put down this This one, this hot pink is so bright, but I don't have another one, so I'm going to use, let's use a gray appointment label, and we're going to put this right down here. Actually, I'm going to put this right up here. And I'm going to put this little dishes from Erica G Designs to signify that I am, sorry about that, that I'm going to be cleaning. And then I also have to do grocery shopping as well. So I'm going to use this Coffee Monsters Co. emoji. This shows a Walmart, so I can go do grocery shopping. And then I do want to edit and upload my plan with me for the week. So I'm going to take this pencil and put it right here. And then I do have where is I'm going to take this planner from a Paperella Story. I got it on a little sampler. And we're going to use this pink and gray one here. And we'll put that right. Oh, that's large. That's too big. That's too big. Sorry about that, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this planner no, Once More with Love planning time sticker, put the heart right down at the bottom, and that'll show to upload my video. But what I'm going to do Friday, yay, I get to put something in Friday, is I want to edit and upload this video. So let's go ahead and take this half box and put it right in here. And we're going to put edit and upload. And we'll use these Coffee Monsters Co. Coffee Monsters Co. Once More with Love. So we're going to edit. And no. Yeah, we'll edit and upload on this day, and I'm going to schedule it so it uploads on that Monday, and then here we'll plan the week, the next week, which I don't know. I may have to pre-film that as well. So that is it for the week. Pretty boring week. I am usually, when I go do go off to school that the military sends me to, I'm very focused on what I'm doing for that course. So I don't do a whole lot of going out, except for maybe to do grocery shopping or something like that. So this is the week of the 26th through the 4th. I really love this kit. This is, I'm pretty sure it's back to school. If it's different, I'll put it down at the bottom. I'm pretty sure it's back to school. And I just love the book bags and the different art that signifies school, even though I'm not in a traditional academic course. It is more of a development course for the job that I'm going into. And so, yeah. So this is the spread for this week. I really hope that you love this. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos, more videos from me, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified as soon as I upload this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.